excited for time to dance. Let's go!
Yes, the time is here, the time is now. And Jenna, kindly greet everyone, please.
Hi everyone! Thank you so much for being here. As in, I'm so overwhelmed right now. Wala po akong masabi. But yeah, today's a good day. The sky is blue. Yeah, it's not as cloudy, so I'm really thankful for everyone here. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy today's media fun.
It is a great day. Thank you very much to everyone for being here. And yun na. Wait. Kasama ko. May bati pa. Robin Domingo, everyone!
Maraming salamat po, Sylvia.
Ay, such a honor,
Oo naman. And I think she's watching all the way in Cebu.
Cebu,
Yes, hi, Miss Sylvia.
Hello,
But I just want to say
Sylvia.
hi sa lahat ng mga media. Mga familiar faces na kasama po natin dito. And thank you so much for being here. We really need all the help that we can. Especially, Time to Dance is gonna be airing on Saturday na.
Yes!
So
Ang
thank
lapit
you.
na.
Nasaan po ba si Fiam?
Uy!
Ay,
Wala ka na sa PBB.
Ah, wala
Ibang
pa.
show yun.
Okay, sorry.
Iba yung show na yun.
Nakita ko palagi sa comments sa lahat ng posts.
Oo, syempre hinahanap natin lagi. Lahat.
Yes.
Sa lahat. Oh, pero, Robby, parang first time wala ka sa site na to na nag-host ng media ko na
It's fun pala.
kinakabahan ka?
Sobra.
Ano yung tatanungin ngayon?
Actually, kinakabahan po ako ng sobra. Parang sa totoo lang, wala pa ako sa hulog kasi kababalik ko lang po mula sa anniversary trip / honeymoon namin. Amoy Japan pa ako ngayon. Kaya medyo iba yung feels pala pag nandito. But we are so grateful everyone's here, especially you, Ari. Thank you for saying yes.
Thank you, Ate.
Of course, nung nalaman ko agad Jella at Tyler, yes tayo dyan. No, but honestly, this is the first time I met Jella in person. But I've always been hearing such good things about you and your whole family. Ang dami tinutulungan, sa mga set, dadala ng pagkain, not just for the co-artists, but also for the staff. You know, I've been hearing a lot of great things talaga. Seryoso yun. So, nung nalaman ko, may video conference for Jella and Robbie, of course, one of my dear friends, talagang yes agad. Tapos may Coach Baby pa, may Ken San Jose pa. Such an honor talaga.
Icons.
Yes.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
Pero mamaya, nabibigyan natin ng chance ng ating mga friends from the media to ask their own questions to you guys. Pero sa ngayon, ako muna yung magtatanong sa inyo, Jella, pwede bang bigyan mo kami ng picture, paint us a picture, paano ba nabuo yung show na to, na Time to Dance?
Yes, Ate. Actually, this is really a passion project of mine. It was really pitched to me na magka-dance show. It's really a dream of mine naman talaga. Pero yun po, idea po talaga yun ng Star Magic, Direct Lauren. It was really him who believed in me in the first place. And of course, with the help of my mom who conceptualized all of this, it was really a collaboration of different productions. But aside from that, kasi I think it's because my mom would always say na dahil nakita po nila yung puso ko and passion for dance, not just dance itself, but then the community. This is also somehow an advocacy project for me. I think it's because being in a team, being part of the community, I see the ins and outs and what really happens. Yung mga kulang, yung mga sobra. And here in Time to Dance, I wanted to do this because I wanted to be able to help those who want to explore dance more, want to learn about dance, and not just that, also like inspire. Yung mga, I have teammates kasi that weren't really financially stable enough to fly with us also to HHI. So that was when the realization like hit me na I want to be able to help because I'm privileged enough to, and I'm really thankful that I am, and I was given this opportunity to. So, yun, it's really, nabuo siya because of the heart and passion na nakita rin sa akin ni Direct Lauren and my mom.
Ang ganda no, na you're aware of how blessed you are and you're willing to share it to everyone else also, di ba? Ang ganda. And totoo yun, ang mga hindi alam na struggles ng mga tao sa dancers. Ako kasi bilang laking UAAP rin, kapag mga cheer dance or pag may mga street dance competitions, yung mga abroad na competitions, tapos ang saya-saya natin, kailangan i-represent Philippines, pero walang funding,
Yes.
kulang. So, ang hirap yung mga estudyante, kailangan mag-ipon. So, isa yan sa mga struggles nga na I'm so glad you mentioned kasi usually hindi alam ng lahat. And I believe because of that, marami pa tayong ibang malalaman tungkol sa dancers, your struggles, and of course, the great things also about being a dancer dito sa Time to Dance. And we can't wait to know more about it. And speak of that, Robbie.
Yes.
As a dancer yourself.
Yes.
Pwede bang kwentuhan mo naman kami, ano ba yung mangyayari sa show? What can we expect? Ano yung mapapanood namin sa Time to Dance?
So the show is just like what Jella said. It's a passion project talaga siya, and we can see the passion of Jella and all the different kinds of personalities na nandun. From different walks of life. And makikita natin, kasi tama yung sinabi rin niya na puro end result lang yung nakikita natin eh. Diba? Naging champion ng ganitong grupo, naging champion to, isang individual, but we never see the journey that much. At grabe yung paghihirap ng mga dancers na hinaharap nila. So, I think very timely to kasi tama naman, Time to Dance.
Timely nga talaga.
Very timely rin kasi ang last, if I'm not mistaken, ang last dance show ng ABS-CBN World of Dance.
World of
Yes.
Dance, and then there was Your Moment also.
Your Moment, which has
singing
and dancing. Pero yung purely dancing was World of Dance. The last dance segment ay Girl on Fire sa Showtime na sobrang lakas din ng appeal. So, I think and I feel sobrang lakas din ng magiging impression itong Time to Dance. Ang papanood natin dito ay iba't ibang mga tao na iba't iba yung mga problema, iba't ibang edad na may goal, ang goal in life nila ay sumayaw. At hindi pa huli ang lahat dahil nga sa programang ito. At ang isang interesting fact din na nakita ko dito sa programang ito is yung puso talaga ni Jella. Na grabe, I think umiyak na ito ng 52 times.
Kuya, every episode, baka nga sabihin sa akin, OA na ako eh. Pero
Oo.
okay naman talaga ako, I'll accept that.
Oo. Every time nagkakaroon ng elimination or may something na, I don't know, iyak na naman si Jella. Okay, hintay na naman tayo. Jella, ano ba mangyayari? Kailangan tapusin natin itong programang to, ha? But it's how she shows her heart, and I think it's endearing. So, ang galing lang ng programa.
Passion project nga kasi talaga.
Yeah.
So talaga yung attack sa heart napakalalim.
Oo.
So you've talked about yung maging kwento ng mga kasama na dance contenders natin. How about dun sa dance part naman? Ano yung mga may expect nating performances, battles, ano ba?
I think I could share a bit only. There is a contestant na over 40s na.
Oh.
Imagine mo, over 40s, hindi pa... May nakita ko din, uy, pwede ka pa sumali. Grabe ka naman! Uy, pwede ka pa. Merong contestant dun na differently abled.
Oh, wow!
And may mga...
Sobrang inclusive.
So, grabe yung inclusivity dito sa programang ito. Siyempre, may mga stuff na hindi namin pwedeng sabihin pa. May mga battles silang kinakaharap sa sarili nila. Either financial, either family. Ang dami mong madidiscover. At yun ay ma-unlock ni Jella sa kanyang mga interviews. Especially kapag pumunta siya, doon sa mga lugar kung saan sila nagtitraining, doon natin malalaman yung kwento nila.
Oh, exciting. So, hindi lang to pa, kasi pag Time to Dance, nakita natin yung trailer, parang isipin mo, okay, ang daming puro sayaw yung mga panood natin. Ito pang performances, showcase.
Yeah.
But it's not, may story. And
May
then,
reality-based
dun pumapasok
siya.
yung reality
Component.
show component niya. Okay. And Jella, aside from giving a platform to aspiring dancers, which is obviously what we can see right now, ano pa yung goals ng show na ito, na Time to Dance?
Ate Ai, it's also to really involve the Philippine dance community. So we really do have guests from some of the leading groups in the Philippines like U-Peeps, of course Legit, We also have Filipino All-Stars. We had them recently. So, yun po, that's also what sets us apart is that from all the other dance shows before is that we also really give importance to the dance community mismo na sobrang involved talaga sila. And of course, yung mga, we have guest judges also na mga kapamilya. And these artists, we made sure are actually, how do I say, they're actually capable of judging, credible and knowledgeable enough to judge time to dance. Like we have AC, of course, she's dancer, Darren, who's a very well performer also. So yun, we really we think about who we have in the show because it's not to set aside anyone, but it's really just more to bring out those groups na hindi masyadong nakikita ng mga tao na sobrang galing din.
Yun na nga eh, syempre kapag may dance show, dapat talaga mayroon ding AC, may Darren, oo. Nakasama mo sa Dance Kids, si AC, ha, Ken?
Sa Dance Kids, ha?
Iba.
Ay, kinakalimutan mo na pala. World of Dance ba? World of
Yeah,
Dance.
World of Dance.
World of Dance ka pala, hindi pala Dance Kids.
Yeah,
Oo.
nga.
Yeah, so, ikaw naman, Ken, like, ano yung masasabi mo dito sa Time to Dance since you also came from a dance competition?
Grabe, I feel sobrang honored kasi dati galing ako sa survival show na World of Dance pero contestant pa ako. Ngayon, naging judge, grabe, I feel so honored, especially being with Coach Vimy and Jella and such high-level, incredible people in dance. And
Sama mo.
of course, si Kuya Robbie, who taught me everything I know.
Wow!
And it's really nice that I get to be a part of this and put my input and share with the contestants then and to see and to be a part of their journey throughout the show as well.
So it's a full circle moment for you, Ken,
Oo.
and we're so happy for you. Kasi kung po sa mga may hindi alam, sa TikTok, sa dance community, lalo na ng mga young ones, you know, Ken San Jose is one of those dancers na talagang tinitingala ngayon. You know, idol ka nila. So, talagang deserve na
Even
deserve.
me.
Oh, lahat tayo. Idol natin si Ken San Jose sa pagsasayaw talaga. So,
Thank you po.
we're so happy that you're part of this. Now, we've been mentioning na we are involving the dance community, diba? Dito sa Time to Dance. So, Coach Vimy, how important is it para ma-involve talaga yung dance community dito sa show?
So first, I think every opportunity I have now to thank ABS-CBN and Nathan Studios for giving the dance community, local dance community, this platform. But going back to that, it's very important, of course, because it goes both ways. The dance community, the dancers here in the country, specifically now, yung mga nakapasok, is the lifeline of the show. And given this platform, it's very important also to bridge the gap between the TV and or commercial industry with the local dance community. Kasi before, it has improved leaps and bounds na the understanding of the art, street dance specifically, yung mas madalas na makikita sa show compared to maybe a decade ago, years back. Iba na. So, I'm not here claiming na para lang may improve na point, no? Kasi I'm very grateful also na nagkaroon na talaga ng understanding and better respect to the dance community and to the dancers. But for this show specifically, I really appreciate the fact na talagang nagkaroon ng intention. Of course, I'm here also as part of that, not to bridge, because I'm from the dance community. But also, as a whole, we have so many groups that has given the country so much honor and pride, winning abroad. But even beyond that, the different dance movements na very, very consistent for so many years, nagkakaroon ng opportunity to be showcased. So, it's not just a dance competition or survival dance competition na ang focus lang is kung sino yung pinakamagaling and kung sino yung makasali. But at the same time, with that, antabay rin, nakakabit din yung buong we're trying our best na at least we get to showcase the whole dance community para makita rin ng general public what we're about and kung gaano talaga kataas yung the art form, the respect for the art form, and the hours and hours that we give and to really improving our skills. So, yun ang masasabi ko.
Spoken like a true prime mover in the dance community. College pa lang ako, matunog na yung pangalan
Ako, prep pa lang
Coach
ako.
Vimy Rivera.
Tinanong ko yung student number mo, hindi nagkala yun.
Pero aside from Coach Vimy, may iba pang big names in the dance community na kasama dito. Jella, would you like to tell us about the coaches as well?
Yes, so we had Coach Chips Beltran, who was
My classmate.
So ito na nagkaka-expose na talaga tayo ng edad.
Oo.
And then we also had Coach Lema Diaz last time, who is the coach of Filipino All-Stars. Yes.
There you go. Okay.
Oh,
So,
and we also had Coach Jobel Dairit, yeah, who is the founder of D-Grind.
So talagang in-involve talaga yung dance community natin, especially the coaches as well. So we know na talagang mag-guide ng maayos yung ating dance contenders dito sa Time to Dance. Okay, now, let's talk about yung kung paano manalo dito sa Time to Dance. Ano ba yung hinahanap natin para sa ating Time to Dance champion? Ikaw!
Coach Vimy? Isip ko muna eh.
Robbie!
Sabihin ko ba? Coach Vimy. I think for all the technicals, syempre.
Well, of course, you have to be the best at what you do. It's still a competition.
Mhm.
So, we're looking for, out of all the auditionees that made it through, eventually, there's only one winner. So, the technicality of it, of course, you need to be really skilled as a dancer. You have to be creative. But on top of that also, kailangan very competitive ka because it's gonna be a long journey and you can be the most creative, you can be the most skilled, but if your endurance and your fighting spirit is medyo shaky, hindi ka tatagal because there will always be pressure and pressure is good, it helps us grow as long as you embrace that. So for me, yun lang talaga, as in, I'm sure at the end of this first season, we'll have the best dancer there is win the first title as Time to Dance Grand Champion.
If I may add din,
Sure.
kasi dance is not just movement so they need to be skilled in performing kasi a lot of people will be watching them. So as a performer, you need to know how to use not only your moves, pero your emotion to be able to tell a story that everybody will be able to connect and be impacted by.
Yes. Facial expressions, napakahalaga. Di ba, Robbie?
Ako puro facial expression.
Kaya
kong
part
gawin.
na yun, di ba?
Oo, if I may add.
Yes. Yes. Pero sobrang excited na kaming lahat for Time to Dance. And to make us even more excited, mapapanood na po natin ngayon ang Time to Dance AVP! Let's all watch this!